biosolutions for soils and crops. We are 7 billion now and will be 8 billion people by 2030. Feeding residue-free food for this growing population is a real challenge. The impact of toxic residues is well known on people, soil, and environment. Soil health is adversely affected by the abuse of synthetic inputs. Few $billion of toxic pesticides are getting phased out, and there are no tangible chemical alternatives. The beneficial soil microflora and fauna have long dwindled owing to the abuse of synthetic inputs on our farmlands. Our story is about giving back more to our lands, environment, and to this ever-expanding world by tapping nature's bounty to provide biological solutions for soils and plants. Did you know that bacteria called Azotobacter is capable of fixing 50 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare? Did you know that extract from seeds of a plant called Pongamia could be used for the control of sucking insects? Did you know that 100 milligrams of nanosilver can disinfect 1 acre of soil ravaged by pathogens? We understand the language of green inputs through our plants, microbes, and nanomaterials. Welcome to the wonderful world of sustainable agri-inputs, a world of biofertilizers, biopesticides, biostimulants, and nanotechnology products. A residue-free solution that one company believes in. AgriLife brings this nature's gift from lab to land through its focused research on beneficial microbes, effective plant extractions, and nanotechnology products. Our focus has been to provide inputs for sustainable agricultural practices since our establishment in 1993. Our Group R&D Center is recognized by the Government of India, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, DSIR. We are based in Hyderabad, India. We export to over 50 countries, catering to residue-free food and farm needs worldwide. AgriLife is one of the leaders in organic inputs production with over 100 certified inputs approved for use in organic agriculture.
We have state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for extraction of biopesticides from botanical resources like Caranjin from Pongamia, Anonin from Annona squamosa, Azadirachtin from neem, and many microbial organisms for applications in crop protection like Trichoderma, Bavaria, Metrorrhizium, Bacillus thuringiensis. Then we have a lot of biofertilizers for nitrogen fixation from atmosphere, phosphorus solubilization in soil, potash mobilization, silica solubilization, mycorrhiza, and we have many biostimulants with unique products like vermicompost derived biofuel, seaweed fermentation derivative called SOM, protein hydrolysates of vegetative origin, amino acid. Like these various products which are biological in nature are manufactured. Organic agriculture needs a lot of biodiversity. There's all the microbial strains and resources which are used by us, are owned by us, and we have unique ownership of these strains. Well, 2/3 of our power consumption comes from rooftop solar panels.
This is the state-of-the-art new facility for botanical extractions. Botanical biopesticides like Caranjin, extract of seeds of Pongamia glabra, Anonin, extract of seeds of Annona squamosa, and Azadirachtin, extract of neem seed kernels, are manufactured here. Other products manufactured here are Biohume, vermicompost extract, SOMzyme, seaweed fermentation derivatives, amino acid, protein hydrolysates of vegetative origin, and triacontanol. This is to manufacture gram-positive bacterial cultures. Spore-forming bacteria are produced by submerged fermentation and broth is centrifuged to get biomass. Different bacteria can be produced at the same time in different fermenters. Biomass after centrifugation is spray-dried. Endospore-forming bacteria passing through 170 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius are harvested as technical grade material. These products have long shelf life under ambient storage conditions, and concentrated consortium products can be produced as formulations. This is to manufacture gram-negative bacterial cultures. Not spore-forming bacteria are produced by submerged fermentation, and broth is centrifuged to get biomass and dried under vacuum. Different bacteria can be produced at the same time in different fermenters. This is to manufacture fungal cultures. In this solid-state fermentation process, well-formed conidiospores are produced, and they have better shelf life and they are more virulent. Very hygienic standards are maintained here. We manufacture nano gold, nano silver, nano copper, nano calcium and nano micronutrients, and nano minerals in nanotech plant. Nano silver plus nano copper is a very good universal disinfectant. Liquid formulations of biopesticides, biofertilizers, biostimulants and nanotech products are made here and filled in to consumer packs. Air classifying mill is used to make powder formulation, and auger filling machines are used to fill the packaging. Double roasted bentonite clay granules are treated with biofertilizers and biostimulants to make impregnated granules for sustained delivery of actives. Such granules are easy to broadcast in fields and ideally suited to small farms of paddy rice, vegetables and other crops. Systematic inventory is maintained in a vertical warehouse. All the raw materials, packaging materials and finished products are maintained systematically. Sustainability is practiced in all aspects of manufacturing. Rooftop solar modules produce 2/3 of power needed by the manufacturing facility. The whole facility has fire hydrant system and firefighting equipment which are regularly checked. All working staff are trained in this aspect. A state-of-the-art in-house effluent treatment plant treats all effluents. Zero emission and zero discharge are the objectives. Our in-house laboratory is recognized by the Government of India, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research as an R&D center. Employees with master's degree can register for PhD in universities and carry out their research in our center while they are working. Soil health, plant health, human health, animal health and environment health are our primary concerns. Quality products are produced and supplied to farmers all over the world. Over 120 products are manufactured and they are approved for use in organic agriculture. They help in production of residue-free fruits, vegetables and all agricultural produce. Promoting sustainable agricultural practices is our goal.